No more hats, messy fiber concealers, or monthly Rogaine purchases. Bring your wife out to that fancy restaurant, go swimming in the ocean, and dance in a fancy nightclub without worrying about the dress code. Imagine living the rest of your life no longer worrying about hair loss. All the time you spend searching online for that miracle cure can now be spent accomplishing your goals and living your life. Scalp Designs is a company based out of Massachusetts who are the innovators of this non-invasive, affordable hair loss treatment called Scalp Micropigmentation, also known as SMP. SMP is performed by inserting organic pigments which are made specifically to replicate a single hair follicle into the upper dermis of the scalp, covering all bald and thinning areas of the head, which creates the look of a buzz cut, as opposed to the relatively expensive hair transplant option. In addition to replicating the hair, SMP also strengthens and adds density to thinning areas, consequently creating thicker, stronger-looking hair. Whether it's the crown or a receding hairline, SMP is the solution. Scalp Designs recreates your natural hairline, bringing back the frame to the face. Scalp Designs performs this treatment full-time, and in their 4 years of business, they've performed thousands of treatments on clients, including some who have traveled from as far as Canada, Florida, California, and St. Martin. They've maintained a 5-star review by Google Business. With the success of this cutting-edge treatment, Scalp Designs now trains doctors, dermatologists, and many others who work in the cosmetic field. It's time to hang up the hat and take back your confidence. For your free consultation, call 508-505-8106. Also visit www.scalpdesigns.com.